Hello everybody. Now, what is Gauss theorem? Electric flux. If we take a sphere and put inside a positive charge, electric lines of field comes out inside towards outside. Since electric lines of force are imaginary, nobody can see it. Therefore, Gauss say flux, this represents flux is equal to number of electric lines of forces passing through this surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times the charge Q enclosed. This is the definition of flux. That we can write down Q upon epsilon naught. But flux is equal to E electric field dot S ds. ds means a small area. Understand? If we sum up these two equations, flux E dot ds, both are vector, is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. This is Gauss theorem and this is general theorem about the flux. Now, how to prove Gauss theorem? Electric field E, if we take in vector, you put the arrow, is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square, and we put this unit vector. This is called unit vector. If we take in vector, but flux is equal, this is a small flux, is equal to E dot ds. This is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square unit vector into ds. Unit vector means 1. Now this will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square ds. Now if we integrate it, integration of ds is equal to s, and integration of d flux is equal to integration of d flux is equal to flux phi flux. This will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square, and after integration this will be s. S means if we take a sphere, surface area of this sphere, surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. R is the radius of this sphere. Now this flux is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square into 4 pi r square. This 4 pi will cancel, this r square will cancel. Now flux is equal to q upon epsilon naught. This is the proof of Gauss theorem. Sometimes we imaginarily draw a line this is the sphere. If we put charge, not real sphere, but we imagine this is the sphere whose area is 4 pi r square. This is called Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface. We can now represent this. Suppose this is a small area, electric field E, and ds is small area. ds is small area. After integration we will get whole area. If it is in spherical shape, area will be 4 pi r square. If it is in cube shape, 6 into side square. Do you understand?